everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys the relaxer kit I use. Since I get asked most often, what relaxer kit do you use, can you recommend it for us? Where I use Optimum Defy Breakage relaxer kit. This relaxer kit is a good choice for everyone currently dealing with hair breakage. I could remember when I first moved here, the first year was so bad for my hair. I suffered lots and lots of breakage until I came across this relaxer kit. Therefore, I would recommend this to everyone thinking of changing their relaxer or confused about the right choice of relaxer kit to use.
So guys, this is the relaxer kit I use. I actually forgot to introduce everything before usage, so I kept the container just to show you guys. And it comes in it's 7 in 1. The first one is the pre-treatment protective base, the one you apply at the edge of your hair before usage. And the second is the conditioner relaxer cream, and the third is the activator. You mix the 2 and the 3 together, just like you do for normal relaxer. The fourth one is the neutralizing shampoo, and the fifth is the conditioner. You use the conditioner after ensuring that there are no more traces of the shampoo on your hair. That is when the pink color disappears. And the sixth is the leave-in straightener. You pour on the hair. And the seventh one is actually not here. It's whip cream, daily cream, and it's written as number 7. And that is it, guys. If you are abroad and you need a good relaxer kit to use, I can recommend this Optimum Defy Breakage. It's a good relaxer and a good product. I've been using it for 2 years now, and I can say it's tested and trusted. So that is it, guys, on the introductory section. Stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video.
Guys, the last time I retouched my hair in Nigeria was actually 3 years ago. So I decided the first thing I was going to do when I get to Nigeria is to visit the salon and retouch my hair. And I kind of miss the salon feeling, because most of the time I just retouch the hair myself or with the help of my friends. So I wanted to enjoy the salon touch. who's already using this relaxer, kindly drop a review in the comment section. And in case this is your first time hearing about this relaxer and you would love to give it a try, do not forget to leave a review in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and do not forget to like, comment and share the video. See you some other time with another video.